What's up guys? We're here in Gibraltar, and in this video, we're going to show you how you can spend the perfect day here, including some of the best things to do. So hope you enjoy it. Jutting out from the southern tip of Spain, Gibraltar is a British overseas territory. With a size of about 5 kilometers or 3 miles long and 1.2 kilometers or 0.7 miles wide, it's a very small area. Nicknamed the Rock for its dramatic limestone centerpiece, this territory is famous for its population of macaques, the only wild monkeys in Europe. Gibraltar was a strategic military zone throughout history, with remnants of Moorish castles and extensive underground tunnels. In this video, we highlight 9 of the best things to do in Gibraltar. These attractions can be combined in a one-day visit, but allow more time if you also want to explore the beaches and the sea. At the end of the video, we'll also share a few travel tips. Now let's dive in. We are Zach and Ina. We make helpful videos about destinations around the world so you can easily plan your own adventures. Europa Point is Gibraltar's southernmost tip. Here, you'll find the historic 19th century Trinity Lighthouse guiding ships through the strait. Take in the views stretching all the way to the African coast, or marvel at the imposing mosque, which was a gift from the late King of Saudi Arabia. To get here, you need to either drive your own car or catch a bus from the town center. The Route 2 bus runs from the Marketplace terminus all the way to Europa Point. The downtown area of Gibraltar is centered around Main Street. This lively pedestrian zone is lined with a vibrant mix of duty-free shops, offering everything from international brands to local crafts. Keep an eye out for deals on perfume, electronics, and liquor in this area. You can also walk down to the harbor nearby and soak in the atmosphere. Find a tranquil oasis at the Alameda Botanic Gardens, situated at the foot of the Rock of Gibraltar. Established in 1816, these sprawling gardens boast lush greenery, with a mix of flowers as well as native and exotic plants. Wander along its scenic paths or take a moment to relax. It's a great place to escape the hustle and bustle. So these botanical gardens are actually located right next to the parking lot for the cable car. So if there's a big line to go up to the hill, you can actually come here first, enjoy a relaxing walk, and then go up the cable car later. Adjacent to the Botanic Gardens is the Gibraltar Cable Car, the most thrilling way to get to the top of the rock. This convenient mode of transportation takes you 412 meters or 1,351 feet up the rock in just 6 minutes. At the top station, breathtaking panoramic views unfold before you. On a clear day, these views stretch across Spain, Morocco, and the vast expanse of the Mediterranean Sea. As this is the most popular attraction in Gibraltar, it's best to book your cable car ticket in advance. We left a link to book your pass in the description below the video. Covering over 40% of Gibraltar, the Upper Rock Nature Reserve sprawls across the limestone ridge that dominates the territory. This huge protected area has a network of walking trails, teeming with diverse flora and fauna. You can also find curious Barbary macaques here, which are Europe's only wild monkey population. A single nature reserve ticket grants full-day access to all the sites that are located in the reserve. It can be accessed from both the bottom and the top of the rock, Since we took the cable car up, we entered from the top of the rock, which allowed us to walk down the reserve and visit all the attractions at a leisurely pace. If you want to see all the main attractions while walking down like we did, then you can follow the same order of activities that we outlined from now on until the end of the video. Located near the summit, the Skywalk is perched atop the dramatic pillar of the Rock of Gibraltar. This walkway features sections with a transparent glass floor, making for a heart-pounding experience with unparalleled views. St. Michael's Cave is a network of beautiful limestone caverns, which boast colorful lights that illuminate the dramatic rock formations. Millions of years of rainwater erosion have sculpted towering stalactites and stalagmites, creating an otherworldly spectacle. Explore the various chambers and marvel at the natural beauty on display. And make sure to watch The Awakening during your visit, an immersive light and sound installation revealing the cave's formation. Suspended 71 meters or 232 feet across a deep ravine, the suspension bridge offers a unique way to experience the rock's rugged beauty. Gaze down at the lush vegetation below and take in the panoramic vistas of the Bay of Gibraltar and the surrounding city. The bridge connects a couple of World War II artillery batteries, adding a layer of historical intrigue to your walk. Towards the bottom of the rock, the Moorish Castle is a captivating reminder of the territory's rich history. First built in 1660, this imposing fortification played a pivotal role in numerous sieges. Explore the well-preserved Tower of Homage, marvel at the battle scars, and descend into the network of chambers and passageways. If you have more time, there are also some other attractions you can visit inside and beyond the nature reserve. Two must-see attractions inside the reserve that we would have loved to see were the World War II tunnels and the Great Siege tunnels. Both, however, were already closed by the time that we passed by them. Other less popular attractions inside the reserve include the City Under Siege exhibition and the Tovey Cottage Natural History Field Center. There are also a few other fun attractions outside the reserve that are worth checking out if you have more than a day in Gibraltar. These include a visit to the Gibraltar National Museum, going on a dolphin watching boat tour, and spending time on the beaches, like Alon Bay or Camp Bay. As we promised at the beginning of the video, we'll now share a few travel tips for Gibraltar. First, Gibraltar is a British overseas territory, so visa requirements will depend on your nationality. Passports are required by all visitors to Gibraltar, except EU nationals who are in possession of a valid national identity card. As a general rule, those persons who require a visa for entry into the United Kingdom will also require a separate visa for entry into Gibraltar. The Gibraltar Tourist Board can also let you know if you need a visa before you travel. Parking in Gibraltar can be tricky, especially during peak season. Consider leaving your car in Spain at one of the many car parks next to the border. From there, you can walk across the border or take a bus into Gibraltar. There's also a good public bus network that can get you around the territory. But if you do decide to travel by car, there are many public car parks scattered throughout Gibraltar. These offer both free and paid parking, with various rates depending on the duration and location. We parked our car at the cable station and left it there for the day. Just make sure to read the parking lot rules carefully in each lot to ensure that you don't get a ticket. Several Spanish cities, such as Malaga and Seville, offer day trips to Gibraltar. This can be a great option if you're short on time or want to combine your visit to the territory with some time exploring Spain. We left links to a few day tour options in the description below the video. If you're planning your Gibraltar trip, we recommend keeping things organized with our interactive travel planner. Find a discount code in the description. We also included a few important links that you'll need for your Gibraltar experience in the description, such as an interactive map so you can get to each spot that we mentioned. We'll catch you on the next adventure.